It was really a great experience, as you know, more than studies, it was like we developed ourselves so much within, like personally, and with the help of personality development, like what exactly practically we need for our lives, that is what we learned more about here. And definitely, yeah, we're gonna miss this atmosphere, the relationships that we are bound to, and moreover, yeah, this university has created us a lot of excitement and memories as well.
I am a gold medalist from MBA department, and I feel overwhelmed because this was a budding university when I joined, and I'm going out with greatest experience.
I'm here, Syed Mustaqim, background mechanical engineering, basically born and brought up in Bangalore itself. Landed here in Presidency, never expected I'd graduate here from Presidency as a gold medalist in mechanical engineering.
It has been an exciting and thrilling journey. I've learned a lot, right from professional skills to my education to my technology. I've learned a lot. The infrastructure is amazing. The labs were really good and productive. Actually, what I learned over here, I could apply a lot of it in my internship and also in my office. I'm really happy about Presidency University, and you'll enjoy it a lot.
To tell about the university, first of all, when I came in here, there was nothing at all. Now the infrastructure is, grown beyond our thoughts. And one thing I'd say that I'd, never thought that the university would grow at such a great speed. When, the labs growing in fast pace, giving you, you have good professors where they teach you stuff where, you actually, focus yourself on studies, and in the way they teach, it's so interesting.
Just say, when we came for admission, we saw only the foundation, and even seeing that, when these people were able to convince us a promising future, I can assure you that anybody can really work hard and set their goals and achieve them. And finally, I just like to say, everyone, if you have your goals set right, then you can work towards them and achieve them.
So about Presidency University, you can see that I'm proudly telling that I'm one of most happiest person to be, graduating from this wonderful university. So I would just say that if you want to learn and have the most fun-loving experience, then you can just walk into Presidency University, because this has given me a lot of it in my life. So thank you all.
I joined Presidency because it's a new university and that's a really good name. And joining here I had no regrets joining here. I had fun learning, and it's been a great experience. It's been exhilarating to graduate from
4 years ago when I came here, it was only a single management building. But as you can see here today, after 4 years, the university has grown a lot. I've seen this university growing day by day. Time and again it has improved. Better things have came up, and I'm amazed to see this today and to graduate from this university.
Actually a nostalgic moment, because we actually remember entering Presidency University. There is not even the main gate or anything around, but now we can see that this is one of the best known university, and you can see that we had our chief guest, who was Mr. Kiran Kumar. So I'm really happy to get graduated from this wonderful, I think we all feel the same.
Yeah, it is kind of nostalgia. You can see it's the last days over here, but we do have that a little nostalgia. We're not gonna come back here as students. It's gonna be the last day. So whenever we come back here, it's gonna be a bit difficult, but yeah, we gotta move on.
And we are definitely gonna miss this university and this beautiful evening also. And what we enjoyed all this moment, it was quite interesting.
I'll just meet the folks here. Very nice people.